Hi, Andrew Bell here with you once again. Well, we're knocking on the door of December and it's going to be fascinating to see how 2026 unfolds. I guess after 5 years of one of the strongest periods in Australia's history for real estate, we've probably become a little bit complacent, comfortable with the thought that property values just automatically go up every year ad infinitum. Well, I've certainly been around long enough to know that that isn't the case, never has been. So it's always wise to reassess our real estate needs as we go forward. As the real key to true real estate success is not only knowing when to buy, but even more importantly, knowing when to sell. The stock market's woes over the last couple of weeks are certainly food for thought. The stock market has enjoyed a spectacular run over the past 5 years, just as real estate market has. Yet we are now seeing some real bouncing around and corrections in the marketplace as people start to question whether the market is not terribly overvalued at present. No one can answer that, but there has always been somewhat of a sheep mentality in all markets, whether it's gold, oil, shares or real estate. When people see others buying or selling, they tend to follow their lead. A couple of little triggers that might make people start to question things about the real estate market has been the rapid rise in the values over the past 5 years, more than doubling, some wobbliness in the sort of employment market at the moment, and some fairly sharp cooling of construction levels. And of course the recent rise in inflation really caught people by surprise. And then there's been strong speculation in some parts of the media that Australia's on a really dangerous course because of our high borrowings, and that it's likely we're going to see further interest rate rises. All of this is having a knockback effect on consumer confidence, and people are starting to be a bit nervous about their own personal situation. So it's no surprise that we're starting to see some more experienced property owners bring their properties to market, knowing how significant the month of January is here on the Gold Coast every year. Many are following the philosophy of a bird in the hand is worth two on bush. They've made tremendous capital gain over the past 5 years and feel that perhaps now is the time to cash out, lock in those gains. Because when the market turns, it turns. And more often than not, it turns overnight off the back of some announcement or some global event. And my goodness, don't we have a lot happening globally as well as back here at home? So it's appropriate that I give one more reminder about the event 2026, that we're now taking bookings to be part of this amazing marketing program. This is the largest property promotion held in Australia every year, and we've been proudly hosting it for 31 years. We hold it in January because that's when we see over 1 million additional visitors to the Gold Coast, and amongst them are plenty of additional buyers. We see more buyers in January than any other month of the year. And doesn't the Gold Coast shine in January? Whether it's residential, commercial, apartments, houses, factories, industrial or offices, if you'd like more information about the event, the hotline is on screen now. Just give us a call and we can chat through any questions you have and we can send you more information if you wish. Well, okay, it's time for all of us to get out and about and get ourselves prepared for Christmas. December slips away before we know it. And who wants to get caught up in that chaos of the week before Christmas? Good luck on all of that. Wishing you a wonderful few weeks as we move into this beautiful festive season. Time to catch up with friends and family. Time to spread the love. Warmest regards.